Alright. Ito na po mga kaibigan, parating na ang tren. Andiyan na ba? Nakita niyo na ba ang tren? Ayan na nga. This is the first time I'm going to ride this kind of train. It's like a monorail, huh? Small train. Look at that. Opo, okay na po. Look at that. Nice train. And this is the train.
Disneyland.
There's nothing here. You have to move there. Ah, this one. Oh.
Actually, you can walk,
Okay.
pero malayo. Talaga maka-hiking ka.
Uh-huh. We're going out. You know, I have so many cameras.
Your camera or your mom?
This is my camera too. You can see.
I have the
both.
since I have an old camera.
So, you can sit there. I can sit here. How long is the travel?
5 minutes lang, go na.
Yeah, I want to stand. You sit down.
What?
Yeah, I'm good because I'm going to take a video.
See, it's a surprise. He doesn't even know he's gonna be at the gate.
Yeah. In the Philippines, Getty.
Kala mo boring ang LA, ano? Ang ganda din ng Hollywood, ano and Vine, sa Pantages,
Saan?
Maraming homeless.
Vine?
Sa
Hollywood, yeah. Maraming mga siraulo.
Oo, no?
Mga na...
Yun nga,
Ano-anong
kaya
ginagawa.
Hindi talaga puntahan yun eh.
Ngayon, patay na yung Hollywood Boulevard. Halos maraming close.
Sarado yung, ano.
Marami.
They're not reviving. Ang bumubuhay lang din yung Oscars.
Until 2030. Lahat ma'am, until 2030, magbabago. Changing of guards, leadership, mamamatay na si Trump by that
Yung
time.
hospital ni Kambal, yun ako ng anak.
Ay, talaga po. So, Hollywood talaga sila, babies. Wow, look at that. Buntok kasi dito, ma'am eh. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. This is... Ayan. Freeway. It's going to the mountains. Look at that. Oh, look at that. There's two trains. I like that style of train. The rail is only on the side. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's so beautiful. Woohoo. Oh, like, look. Oh my God. So beautiful.
Cholo, 2 hours na lang from Montreal. Kaya kung nakalit yun, yun ang maganda. There's nothing in Montreal. Just go to the garden.
I'll be back. Grabe ang
Kasi maganda yung architecture. Yun lang yung maganda.
plane pa rin yan, ma'am, plane. 2 hours by plane.
2 hours by car.
Ah,
Lapit na lang siya.
yun lang, wala akong car.
You can get, what do you call this? I think, a bus.
Depende sa kaibigan. They're done.
Shake cultures.
Left or right? So we're going out.
Yeah. Here is where the artists
Alright,
go.
welcome to Getty's. The owner of Getty's. Yes. Welcome to Getty's. Oh my God. Mm-hmm. Wala naka... Ganda dito mga kaboses. So pretty. Ang ganito sa Pilipinas kahit sa. Kung ang Pilipinas ay naging parte ng state ng ano, edi panalo ang Pinas. Sa dami na. Yeah. You go to the road less traveled.
Guys, let's take a picture of you.
Yes, sorry.
1, 2.
All right. Yan. Ang building.
See the view.
Oh my goodness. Look at the view. You can see the view. Oh, from here, huh? When was the last time we went here? Years. So we're on the top of the mountain, right? You can see the whole. Where is she? Where is she? See the view. Oh, look at that. My God. It's LA. Oh my God. Look at that. That's LA. So beautiful.
It's okay.
They cut the leaves so that